I am at 531 Opportunity Way. This is the Keystone High School, middle school, elementary, and then the board is, behind me. They called in because they want the entrance signs here. They're currently mulch, and they want them turned into 34 River Rock. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of a cleanup, some edging. They also want in all of the parking lots, I think they have mulch right now, and they want it turned into the 34 River Rock. So this is the parking lot for the high school. We've got an island here. Needs a good cleanup. Island here. The islands are pretty easy to find, but they've got some pretty excessive grass, so we're definitely gonna have to have Sean come out and spray all this. Oh geez, before we do that. So we've got one there. I don't see any over there. One here. I think that's just grass, technically. I don't see any mulch in there. There is a mulch bed right here. This is just a sign for parking. We'll edge this and turn that to River Rock as well. And then I am heading in the back. I'm assuming this is employee parking. I'm gonna just see if there's any islands back here. This is still the high school. This is just a back parking lot that I'm heading to. Alright, so we've got an island there, just two islands back here. Oh, we got one here, and one here, and that's it for back here. I'm gonna pause this and drive over to the other school then. Alright, so this is elementary school and the middle school here. We're gonna be doing the same thing. Any islands, we're gonna turn from mulch to River Rock. I don't see any over here. Back to the other parking lot. Alright, so this other parking lot, we've got island, three islands over here, 6 all together, from what I can see. Definitely gonna have to spray these, clean them out good. And then the last building we're going to be at is the board building, which I have to figure out where that is. Alright, so this is the back parking lot of the middle school, elementary school, and the Board of Education. There are 3 islands right here that we would also need to include in turning to River Rock. The weeds don't look terrible as of right now, but we'll still do a minor cleanup. And that is it.